So good evening again, everyone. I'll be showing you how to solve this problem. What do you call this problem? It involves, age. That's why we call it age problem. So may I read to you the given problem? So in 12 years, Troy will be 10 times as old as he was 6 years ago. Find his present age. So is the problem difficult? I'll be putting this on video, not on Reels, because the explanation is a little, longer. So how many stages of life are involved in the problem? So it says here in 12 years. What is that? Is that the past, the present, or the future? So in 12 years, that's practically the future. And then we have also here 6 years ago. What about 6 years ago? That is, of course, the past. And you have here the present age. That is actually the present. So how many stages of life? So we have here the present. You have also here in 12 years. That now is the future. And the one there is the past, which is actually 6 years ago. What do you notice about the arrangement of the different stages of life? So we start with the past, the present, and then the future. So chronological. So in solving this problem, I'll be using a table. The first step is, of course, to understand the problem. And then the second is to represent or to denote using variables. So what do we need here? We need the present age. So we denote the present age as x. So napaka-importante po ng variable na x in solving math problems. So what would be your age 6 years ago? So will you have to subtract from your age at present, or will you have to add? That was your age several years ago. So it is expected that it's lower than your present age, and practically you have, of course, to subtract the number of years from your present age. So in this case, we represent that as x minus 6. Now, how about your age in the future? So in 12 years' time. So if your age now is 20, what would be your age in 12 years? So will you have to add or subtract? So for the future, we have to add, and our reference would be our present age. So let us recall how many stages of life do we have. We have the past. Okay, this is the past. We have the present. And then we now have here the future. Which do you think is